We often get calls in the office. Can you come out and give me a price, or can you give me a price first before coming out on a leak detection for my spa only? Our first question is it a pool spa combo? Their answer is sometimes yes and sometimes no. And let me explain why we charge just as much for a regular spa, if not more. Again, we're talking about in-ground concrete spas. If it's an in-ground concrete spa, if you look at the plumbing compared to from a spa compared to an actual pool, we're showing you some of these construction pics. There's so much more involved. You got spa venturas, jet lines, you got suction lines, you got everything that's involved in a pool and more. So when people say, well, a pool is $500-$600 you charge to come out and do a leak detection, why do you get, between $500 and $600 to do the spa only or a spa and pool combo? And the answer is because it's just elaborate, and it's harder to do just a spa than it is a regular pool. Again, we make equipment for listening, and we hope to find these leaks easily. However, some of these leaks can be challenging. You got to do a lot of pressure testing sometimes. Sometimes it'll be easy. You'll hear it with a pool scope, pipe mic, hydrophone, side mic, or whatever it might be. Put it in and find it. However, that's not always the case. Another reason why we won't do a pool spa combo and just do a spa, because a customer could be guessing. Again, you have many reasons why a spa could actually be leaking and, yes, be isolated to the spa, but typical customers don't know the answers to that. It could be something going on in the pool. It's filling the spa at night. It could be an autofill. It could be whatever it might be. It could be a check valve dropping from spa to pool, and pool might be actually leaking. Therefore, we will not do just a spa or just a pool. We will only do the whole entire body of water. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.